somewhere in Europe. The theme of EMR strives to bring you the very best that radio will give. Broadcasting to Europe, from Europe. The sound of free radio, with good music emanating from our aerials. Hello, my name is Steve Silby. Like you, I knew Barry Stevens, owner, presenter, transmission engineer, and one-man broadcasting legend of shortwave radio station European Music Radio. But perhaps unlike you, from the very beginning of our relationship, 3 decades before EMR broadcast legally, to me, he was Tom Taylor, Radiohead, partner in crime, old mucker. During the evening of Tuesday the 30th of January, I was sat at home, like many, with my family, working my way through the evening news. Just an ordinary evening. My phone chimed to the sound of an incoming message. Reaching for the device, I could see the message was from a long-time and most trusted friend in radio. I glanced at the phone and read the text. Hello, matey. Some news. I've just heard that Tom Taylor has died. I stared at it to properly absorb its message. But there was no doubt. This, then, was the all-too-early confirmation that Tom's friends had been dreading. I knew that Tom had been suffering from cancer. Many of his listeners did too. This very private man revealed to devoted fans of his station that he had been diagnosed with cancer in February 2017. What nobody realized is that it would take his life so quickly. Although Tom had reported he was ill, he remained upbeat throughout, promising his listeners that European Music Radio would return in 2018. Sadly, this will not be the case.
This is European Music Radio, broadcasting on 6,265 kHz in the 48-meter shortwave band. Vous êtes à l'écoute d'Euromusic Radio sur 6,265 kHz dans la bande de 48 mètres en ondes courtes. Sie hören Euromusic Radio auf 6.265 kHz und 48 Meter Kurzwellebahn. U bent afgestemd op Euromusic Radio op een frequentie van 6265 kHz in de 48 meter band korte golf. Aquí la estación Euromusica Radio sobre 6.265 kHz en la banda de 48 metros sin ondas cortas. This is EMR, with music from Europe to Europe.
A long time ago, back when I was cutting my broadcasting teeth, Tom showed me the ropes. All that I learned about shortwave radio came from Tom Taylor and through my small adventure with EMR. In these past days, I have read on blogs and on shortwave listening posts very genuine outpourings of sadness at his passing. Radio colleagues have spoken, some for the first time, of their admiration for this friendly yet humble man who fixed their transmitters, provided advice, and demonstrated real passion for the hobby of shortwave radio. A passion that would never leave him, and he remained true to all of his days. I know that wherever you are listening, you also feel a genuine loss of friendship with a man who for over 40 years has been your friend. The fact sheet that accompanied every EMR QSL card always stated that EMR depended on your listening support. A mutual respect and friendship which spanned 4 decades were the rewards for both listener and operator alike. Tom Taylor, previously known to all as Barry Stevens, was your friend, and mine, and a passionate devotee of shortwave radio. His famous radio station, European Music Radio, would appear typically on the 3rd Sunday of every month. First as a UK-based clandestine operation spanning the years 1976 to 2002, and then broadcasting legally at weekends between 2002 until 2017, during which time the moniker of Barry Stevens was dropped